Hello, I am Professor Juhi of Konkuk University. I want to introduce the sixth session of the Third International Conference on Artificial Intelligence Humanities. As a public law scholar, I teach law at university, and I am interested in researching the interface between cutting-edge science such as artificial intelligence and law. It is a great honor to participate in this international conference as a moderator. This session is a presentation of research results on the latest issues in artificial intelligence. Under the main theme of calculating good and evil with artificial intelligence, the role of artificial intelligence in neuroscience, health care, crime prevention, issues of bias and discrimination, and artificial intelligence deep learning in the pandemic that we are currently experiencing is studied. Also, the ethics and norms of artificial intelligence and the prospects for the future of governance will be discussed. Through promising scholars, you can experience the latest research results from the perspective of artificial intelligence's social and ethical norms. First of all, Dr. Anita Su Jua introduces AI algorithm technology and neuroscience research. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, an artificial intelligence-based neurotechnology used in the case of brain-computer interface (BCI), allowing quadriplegia patients to move using robotic arms. Examples of fMRI and EEG data use will be described. These are cutting-edge research that combines neuroscience and artificial intelligence technology. It also points to ethical issues that arise when artificial intelligence interprets human neural activity. Reading brain neural activity can infringe upon privacy and freedom of thought because it means approaching the mind. Also, ethical problems that arise when applying neuroscience can unintentionally change the mind and mental state. Dr. Hortense Gallois will present the second presentation about artificial intelligence integrated with health care. Artificial intelligence in the health care sector relies on a significant amount of sensitive data from individuals. It's important how data is protected in a prescriptive manner, and it's essential to consider the public's interest and need for data protection and privacy. In Europe, it is trying to regulate artificial intelligence in the health and medical sectors by establishing the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). The GDPR will affect legislation reform in the United States and Canada. Based on the discipline of GDPR, we look at the problems and discipline in terms of data protection of artificial intelligence technology introduced in healthcare. The third presentation deals with the ethical issues of artificial intelligence technology used in crime prevention by Professor James Halo. In recent years, human rights groups have criticized artificial intelligence technology, which has developed in the United States as a means of preventing crime since the early 2000s. Artificial intelligence technology causes bias about minorities. Despite strong data protection regulations in Europe, it also points to artificial intelligence technologies such as smart cameras and facial recognition technology developed for crime prevention purposes. The fourth presentation is the result of joint study with Professor Lucia Martinelli, Research Professor Jiwon Shim, and researcher Sun Gu Chai. Through the case of COVID-19, we examine the deep learning technology that can detect and prevent bias in algorithms. A deep learning approach such as CNN convolutional neural network identifies the characteristics of social expressions and differences in images of people wearing masks during the corona crisis, and there is a social stigma that mainly affects U.S. digital news. Professor Mesut Serdar Sekin presents the fifth presentation on the regulation of artificial intelligence. This study discussed whether the traditional regulatory approach of the mandatory risk assessment model and co-regulatory model existing in environmental protection, finance, and data protection laws is also suitable for artificial intelligence regulation. In the final presentation, Professor Hugo Pagallo discusses the ethical normative consideration of how artificial intelligence technology innovation will change society's future and predict the future of artificial intelligence law, ethics, and governance by presenting a governance and policy consultation model. In response to artificial intelligence's normative challenges, he proposes that innovation and improvement of new moral principles and laws interact organically and collaboratively to form new norms. This session covers a discussion of the ethics and norms brought about by AI technology, as well as governance that encompasses ethics, policy, and law. Thank you.